Hi friends, welcome back to Top Tip. Today I am going to show you how to do a manual install for your Mac OS. Because if you are using a OS version 10.8.5, you will not able to update to the latest version. Because for updating to the latest version you need OS version 10.9 or higher. So in our case we are using 10.8. We are not able to do a software update. Let's see. When I try to do update, you will not get any update from the normal update. It's checking for updates. See, no updates available. It's because you are using the version 10.8.5. So what we will do, we will do a manual installation of version 10.11.6. Then you will be able to do the normal update. So come, let's see how to do the manual installation of OS X EL Capitan 10.11.6. For that, first we need to download the installation file. Go to Google, just type OS X EL Capitan 10.11.6. Go to the link below downloads. You can download OS X EL Capitan 10.11. By clicking this one, it will start downloading. In my case, I already downloaded this one. Once it downloaded, you can go to Finder, Downloads. Here you can see the file. This is the file what I downloaded already. Just double click on it. You will get the installation package. Just double click on that pack. Press continue. Again press continue. And this will take 7 MB of space of your computer. We don't want to change the location. Just press install. It will ask the admin password. Just give it and press install software. The installation is begin. Just wait until it's finished. Okay, now the installation is finished. Just close all the tabs. This time we will go to Launchpad. Just click the Launchpad. There you can see install OS X EL Capitan. Just double click on it. Press continue. Click agree. Just click agree again. Press install. Continue. Give the password. Press OK. It's taking some time to install that one. Once the installation is finished, we need to do a restart. Now the installation is finished. It's getting booting. Yes, the new window is came back. Let's do login. Okay, now you can get the diagnostic usage. Just click continue. Now the desktop has been gamed. Let's check it through the screen recording. Okay, now we finished the installation. Let's check the version now. Go to Apple logo, about this Mac. See, OS X EL Capitan version 10.11.6. Now you can use the normal way to do the software update by clicking software update. See, now you are able to get the updates. There are 10 updates available now. Also you get a software update. So now total 11 update including a software update. Restart is required. By this way you can update manually the OS, and after updating it manually, once it becomes 10.11.6, you can do a normal update by pressing the software update. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.